Hey, to block numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to click on your phone dialer. Then you will have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and select Settings. Now go into the blocked numbers, and from here you can just simply input any number that you want, like for example this random one, and click Done. After this you will have to click on the plus, and as you can see you will no longer receive any calls or messages from this specific number. For sure you can add here the multiple different numbers, it actually doesn't matter. There's also a way to actually block your contacts. So if you want to do this, you will have to open your contacts, select one of the following, for example this one, open it, and then click on the more and select block contact. Then click on it, and now when we go back into the phone dialer, open the settings. As you can see, we can find the phone number but with the name, so it actually means that this is our contact. And that's all. Right now please subscribe to my channel.